The humidity in your crawl space affects the air you breathe in your home. Stay tuned while I explain why you want to control the humidity in your crawl space. Hi, I'm Nolan Beery and I'm the Director of Sales Development at AccuLevel. Many people think about humidity when we walk outside on a hot summer day, but we usually don't think about how it affects our crawl space. In this video, I'll explain what causes humidity in your crawl space, how it affects your crawl space, and how you can control it. Before we go further, please give us a thumbs up and ring that bell. Let's get started. The most basic cause of this is that your crawl space floor is dirt. So no matter if you have standing water or it's just that open dirt, the moisture in the ground is always going to be released at some kind of capacity. And so that moisture is sitting in that crawl space creating humidity, not to mention the temperature difference between your living area and what's underneath ground. In the summer, the ground's always cooler. In the winter, it's always warmer. And so that temperature difference can also cause additional humidity in your crawl space. The biggest thing that you're going to see that humidity can cause in your crawl space is the beginning of wood rot, whether it's your sill plate, your main beam, your floor joists, even your subfloor. And that's felt in your home with soft floors, bouncy floors, or even sagging floors. The other thing is just biological growth or mold in that crawl space. That's what helps feed that biological growth, is that humidity. So that can really decrease the quality of the air that you're breathing in on a daily basis as you live in your home. Absolutely. There's several different steps that you can take at different levels to control the humidity of your crawl space. The very beginning level is just doing a vapor barrier in your crawl space, putting something between that soil that's releasing that moisture and the subfloor of your crawl space. But that can be taken to all different levels with a drainage system, complete encapsulation, dehumidifiers to completely seal up that space so that you take full control back of your crawl space to make sure that the air that you're breathing in your home is good air, and make sure that you're prolonging the life of your subfloor as long as possible. To schedule an appointment with one of our project advisors, give us a call or go to our homepage, AccuLevel.com, and click the Book a Consultation button. Fill out the form and we'll contact you within the next business day. Do you have questions about humidity in your crawl space? If so, please leave them in the comments below. Check out the description for more videos and blog articles on crawl space and foundation repair. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up and ring that bell. We would greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching.